If you're a fan of juicy, flavorful hamburgers, but want a healthier and more convenient cooking method, look no further than your trusty air fryer. Air fryer hamburgers offer the perfect balance of taste and convenience, delivering succulent patties with a crispy exterior and less oil compared to traditional frying. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to craft mouth-watering air fryer hamburgers in the comfort of your own kitchen. What you'll need: ground beef, 80-20 or 85-15 fat ratio is ideal. Salt and pepper to taste. Burger buns. Toppings and condiments of your choice: lettuce, tomato, cheese, onions, ketchup, mustard, etc. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Preheat the air fryer. Begin by preheating your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for approximately 5 minutes. This initial heating ensures that your burgers will cook evenly. 2. Shape the patties. Divide the ground beef into equal portions depending on the number of burgers you intend to make. Gently form each portion into a patty, being careful not to overwork the meat, which could result in tougher burgers. 3. Season the patties. Sprinkle both sides of the patties with salt and pepper, or your favorite seasonings. You can even mix seasonings into the ground beef before shaping the patties for an extra flavor kick. 4. Place the patties in the air fryer. Open the air fryer basket and carefully place the seasoned patties inside. Ensure there's enough space between the patties for proper air circulation. 5. Cooking the patties. Slide the basket back into the preheated air fryer. Cook the patties at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for about 8 to 12 minutes, depending on your preferred level of doneness. Aim for 8 minutes for medium rare burgers, adding a few extra minutes for medium and well-done burgers. Enjoying the video? Leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. 6. Flip the patties. Around halfway through the cooking time, gently open the air fryer and use tongs to flip the patties. This helps ensure uniform cooking on both sides. 7. Melt the cheese. Optional. If you're craving cheeseburgers, add a slice of cheese to each patty during the last 1 to 2 minutes of cooking. Close the air fryer to allow the cheese to melt deliciously over the patties. 8. Check for doneness. For your peace of mind, use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature of the burgers. A medium rare burger should read around 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 54 degrees Celsius, while a medium burger should register around 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. If you prefer your burgers well done, aim for an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius. 9. Assemble and serve. Once your burgers are cooked to perfection, remove them from the air fryer and place them onto your awaiting burger buns. Add your favorite toppings and condiments to complete your masterpiece. 10. Enjoy. Savor the delectable results of your air fryer cooking prowess by sinking your teeth into a juicy, perfectly cooked burger. The combination of convenience, flavor, and healthier cooking makes air fryer hamburgers a delightful treat for any occasion. Whether you're a novice in the kitchen or a seasoned chef, making air fryer hamburgers is a straightforward process that yields impressive results. With its ability to provide a satisfying crunch on the outside and a tender center, the air fryer proves to be a versatile tool in the world of burger creation. Give it a try and elevate your burger game to new heights. In summary, creating air fryer hamburgers offers a range of benefits, including healthier cooking, reduced oil consumption, a crispy texture, convenience, and versatility. Whether you're looking to cut down on calories, simplify your cooking routine, or enjoy a guilt-free burger, the air fryer is a fantastic tool that delivers flavorful results without the drawbacks of traditional frying methods.